Easy, one-handed operation with patented pump mechanism and brake button. Soft, non-slip knob locks down for storage, and a non-slip ring and wide base keep bowl steady on countertop. Elegant, clear bowl is perfect for serving, and basket can be used separately as a colander. Clear, flat lid allows for convenient stacking when not in use, disassembles for easy cleaning, and parts are top rack dishwasher safe and BPA free. Capacity 6.22 QT bowl, 4.95 QT basket, dimensions 10.5 inch by 10.5 inch x 6 inch. A new spin on our classic design before the introduction of the OXO Good Grip salad spinner in 1998, crank or pull tab salad spinners were considered high-end products. Some people even used the spin cycle of their washing machine to dry lettuce. Our easy-to-use spinner transformed the tool into an everyday kitchen essential. Nearly 20 years later, we revisited the spinner to make some updates while keeping the top features and original inspiration, a children's top. With a modern design that complements contemporary kitchens and an improved brake that stops on a dime every time, we think you'll love our new spin on the classic design. Dry salad greens with a simple press of the soft, non-slip knob. The non-slip base keeps the bowl steady on the countertop, and the updated built-in brake button stops the salad spinner for unloading. The basket doubles as a colander, and the lid comes apart for easy cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. It's a carnival ride and anti-aging device in one for your salad. Who doesn't love a good salad spinner? This thing spins my salad so fast, water couldn't hang on if it tried. Plus, as a bonus, I put it right in the refrigerator to store my clean and exceptionally dry salad, and it lasts so much longer than in the bag. And the icing on the cake, or should I say dressing on the salad, is that the whole thing is dishwasher safe. Makes me wish I was small enough to celebrate by going for a carnival ride inside the spinner myself.